Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for English 3 root words and informational texts. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Here are the bases of our lesson. Content standards. Performance standards. Learning competencies. Objectives. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning, class. I'm so happy to see your bright faces today. Are you ready to explore some wonderful stories and new words together? Let's dive into English. Here are the basic sight words for grade 3. The, come, hook, said, was, look. They know about, people, make, are, from, before, only, give, were, laugh, very, could, dare, some, together, went, because. Can you read it again? Excellent. Here is an example of a gift. Lesson purpose intention. Today, we will read again the informative text about clay and we'll try to do the activities on making conclusions. You already know how to get information from text to support main ideas. We will develop these skills further. Lesson language practice. Read the following words. Laugh, cheapest, impossible, looking, durability. Read after me. Laugh, cheapest, impossible, looking, durability. Now, it's your time to read. Number 1, number 2, and number 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Reading the key idea stem. Does anyone know what root words are? A root word is the most basic form of a word that cannot be further divided into meaningful segments. Root words are used to form new words by adding letters at the beginning. Example, a prefix, and or the end, a suffix. For example, the word unhelpful is made up of these different parts. Prefix, un, the root word is help, and the suffix is full. When combined, it becomes unhelpful. Thus, prefix is a word added before the root word, while a suffix is added after or at the end of the root word. Now, let's look closer at each word. Let's have the first word, laugh. Can you identify the root word? Here are the following answers. For number 1, we have laugh. Number 2, cheap. Number 3, possible. Number 4, look. And number 5, durable. I would like you to identify the added word to the root word. Let's start. Laugh was added by ed. Cheap, est. Possible, im. Look, ing. And durable, lity. What happens to root words when a prefix or a suffix is added to it? Correct. It changes its meaning. It is important to know the root words and their meaning to unlock the meaning of the word. Now, what about the added words? Do you think they have meanings of their own? Yes, some prefixes and suffixes have their own meaning, so when they are added to the root words, it changes its meaning or form a new word. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. What is the root word in review? The answer is view. What word was added to view? Re. Is it a prefix or suffix? It is a prefix. Why? Because it was added before the root word. Our next word is unhappiness. What does the prefix "un" mean? It means not. What about the suffix "ness"? Ness means state of or condition of. What does the word unhappiness mean? The state of being not happy. Colorful. What does the suffix "full" mean? It means full of. What does the word colorful mean? Full of color. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Ask them to give the root words of the highlighted words. Number 1. Iron is the cheapest among the 3 metals. The highlighted word is cheapest. Number 2. Gold jewelry is beautiful. The highlighted word is beautiful. Number 3. Money cannot buy you happiness. The highlighted word is happiness. The salesman is selling jewelries. The highlighted word is selling. And number 5, my mother carried a bag full of gifts into the house. The highlighted word is bagful. What are the root words in the given sentences? Here are the correct answers. Number 1, cheap. Number 2, beauty. Number 3, happy. 4, sell. 5, bag. Making generalization and abstractions. What is a root word? What happens to a root word? Nouns, verbs, adjectives when a prefix and or suffix is added. Everybody will going to read the generalization and abstraction part. Evaluating learning. Evaluating learning direction, read each sentence and identify the root words of the underlined word. Here are the correct answers.